Welcome to a serene countryside retreat. This 3-bed, 2-bath home is nestled on 57 acres of beautiful land in West Virginia. The home features an inviting open floor plan, spacious kitchen and dining area, complete with luxury appliances. The property's outdoor features include 57 acres of land offering ample opportunities for exploration and enjoyment. With its private setting and modern amenities, this home presents opportunities for those seeking a peaceful and luxurious lifestyle. Whether it's a family home, a retreat, or a place to enjoy outdoor activities, this property has endless possibilities. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.